Hello everyone! Sa video na ito ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-express ng permutation sa kanyang corresponding expression at ituturo ko rin sa inyo kung paano mag-solve ng factorial notation. Paalala lamang, iniba ko yung mga ibang given kaya wag niyong kokopyahin lahat, okay? Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, gumagawa ako ng mga Tagalog tutorial videos mula grade 7 hanggang grade 11. Kung interesado ka, please like, subscribe, at i-click mo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify ka kapag may bago akong upload na video. Just keep on watching! Good day mga anak shis! So, ang formula ng permutation ay, permutation of n taken r at a time is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial. So, merong tatlong special cases ang permutation. Yung una ay yung permutation of n taken 0. So, by using the formula, n is equal to n factorial over yung n minus ang r natin is 0 factorial. Kopyahin natin to, n factorial over n minus 0 is equal to n, then kopyahin yung factorial notation. Equals, n factorial divided by n factorial is equal to 1. Ibig sabihin, there are only one ordered arrangement of zero objects called the empty set. Yung pangalawang case naman sa permutation ay yung permutation of n taken 1 at a time, which is equal to n factorial over n minus 1 factorial equals n. Ang ibig sabihin nun, there are n ordered arrangement of one object, n ways of selecting one object from n objects. So, ilan lang ito sa mga special cases ng permutation. Then let us try to answer permutation of n taken 2 at a time. Diba yung permutation of n taken 1 at a time, ang expression niya ay equal to n. Isa lang siya. Yung permutation of n taken 2 at a time, pwede natin itong i-express na n times n minus 1. By using the distributive method, n times n is equal to n square. N times negative 1 equals negative n. Okay? So, yan na yung kanyang expression. N square minus n. Next naman is yung n factorial. Diba, naituro ko na ito sa nakaraang video, yung factorial notation. Ang katumbas ng factorial notation ay equal to n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 hanggang sa positive 1. Kapag may given tayo na n factorial, imumultiply mo siya sa magkakasunod na numbers hanggang positive 1. Paano naman kapag ang given ay permutation of 3 taken 3 at a time? By using the formula, ang n natin is 3, that is 3 factorial over 3 minus 3 factorial is equal to 3 factorial. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Then, kopyahin yung factorial. Next, 3 factorial. Ano ulit yung special case natin kapag 0 factorial? 0 factorial is always equal to 1. So, ibig sabihin, this is 3 factorial. Ito yung expression ng permutation of 3 taken 3 at a time. Next naman, ano naman ang katumbas ng permutation of n taken 3 at a time? So, di ba yung permutation of n taken 1 equals n. Tapos, yung permutation n taken 2 is n times n minus 1. Dalawang term. So, isa ito, dalawa ito. Ibig sabihin, ito, n times n minus 1 times n minus 2. Ito yung katumbas ng permutation of n taken 3. For example, 5 permutation of 5 taken 3, diba? Ang katumbas nito is equal to 5 times 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Then 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So, parang ganyan yung number 6. Ngayon, para makuha natin yung final answer, i-multiply natin. Unahin muna natin itong binomial by using the FOIL method. Kopyahin muna natin yung n. using the FOIL method, n times n is equal to n squared. Then, n times negative 2 is equal to negative 2n. Negative 1 times n is equal to negative n. Negative 1 times negative 2 is equal to positive 2. Then, simplify, combine like terms. Kopyahin muna natin yung n. Then, n squared, negative 2n minus n, magkapareho ng sign, add. Then, copy the sign. 2 plus may 1 dito, that is 3. N plus 2. Ngayon, pwede na nating i-distribute yung n dito. So, magiging n times n squared is equal to n raised to 3. Kasi may positive 1 dito na exponent. So, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Next, n times negative 3n, that is equal to negative 3n squared. Again, i-add lang natin yung kanilang exponent. Then, n times positive 2 is equal to positive 2n. So, yung expression ng permutation of n taken 3 at a time is equal to n raised to 3 minus 3n squared plus 2n. Okay? So, let us summarize yung mga expressions natin. Permutation of n taken 0 at a time is equal to 1. Permutation of n taken 1 at a time is equal to n. Permutation of n taken 2 at a time is equal to n squared minus n. N factorial is equal to n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 hanggang positive 1. Permutation of 3 taken 3 at a time is equal to 3 factorial. Then, permutation of n taken 3 at a time is equal to n cubed minus 3n squared plus 2n. Next, dito naman tayo sa pangalawang activity. Evaluate the expression if it is true or false. Number 1, 3 factorial plus 3 factorial is equal to 6 factorial. So, sabi ko nga sa discussion natin sa factorial notation, diba ang katumbas ng 3 factorial is equal to 3 times 2 times 1. So, that is equal to 6. So, kapag inad natin ito, 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Equal ba siya sa 6 factorial? Ano ba ang 6 factorial? So, that is equal to 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 6 times 5 is equal to 30. Times 4 equals 120. Times 3 is equal to 360. Times 2 equals 720. Times 1 equals 720. So, yung katumbas ng 6 factorial is equal to 720. Equal ba yung 12 at 720? No, they are not equal. Meaning to say, this is false. Next, number 2. 9 factorial equals 9 times 8 factorial. So, i-expand natin yung 9 factorial. Ano yung katumbas ng 9 factorial? That is equal to 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Or pwede rin natin itong i-express na 9 times. Diba itong 8 times 7 hanggang positive 1, ang katumbas nito ay 8 factorial din. So, ibig sabihin, 9 factorial is equal to 9 times 8 factorial. Meaning, this is true. Number 3, 4 factorial over 2 factorial is equal to 2 factorial. Is it true or false? So, isolve natin each side. So, yung katumbas ng 4 factorial ay equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Over, yung 2 factorial naman ay 2 times 1. So, ang sagot, cancel ito. Ang magiging sagot ay 12. Equal ba siya sa 2 factorial? Ano ang katumbas ng 2 factorial? That is equal to 2 times 1. So, 12 equals 2. Equal ba ito? No. So, they are not equal, meaning to say this is false. Next naman, number 4. 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial equals 123. So, let us answer this following expression. 1 factorial is equal to 1 plus 2 factorial, that is 2 times 1 is equal to 2 plus 3 factorial equals 3 times 2 times 1, that is 6 equals 123. 1 plus 2 plus 6, that is 9 equals 123. So, hindi sila equal, ibig sabihin, this is also false. Okay? Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Sana marami kayong natutunan sa video na to. Kung meron kayong mga katanungan or clarifications, just comment down below. At kung nagustuhan ninyo ang video na to, please like, subscribe, at i-share nyo na rin sa mga classmates ninyo. Once again, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, at mag-aral ng mabuti. God bless you all and goodbye!